The Big Bang occurred 13.8 billion years ago, and the universe as we know came into existence. Out of the billions of galaxies, we have found life only in our solar system. But for how long can life continue to exist on the tiny planet we call home?
I am convinced that humans need to leave Earth. Spreading out into space will completely change the future of humanity. It may also determine whether we have any future at all. Mars is the next most obvious site, and we could reach it in 50 years.
From Stephen Hawking to Elon Musk, there are many who vouch for Mars. So, can this red planet be our new home?
Human settlement on Mars, it's very diverse. So we need to incorporate a few things before we move on to settlement. That is the conditions that are existing on Mars.
Condition for the planets and moons are that would be difficult to say, as we are not yet a manned mission to Mars. There are only, we are getting the data only from the rovers and satellites, nothing else.
First, we need enough information about how the existing infrastructure that we have on Earth will behave over there. Then we need to plan the entire mission. That is, Mars is not nearby. We have to take our launch vehicles and we have to plan how many people we have to send for establishment of each of the different aspects. For example, for structure, for food, for the resources that we will need to, keep operating the launch vehicles, etc.
The landforms which we have studied right now tells us that there was a presence of water in ancient Mars, but we are not yet sure about it. But the minerals which are present really tells us that the geothite, which if I give an example, geothite or carbonate, if I take as an example, they are formed in presence of water. And right now, according to the temperature of Mars, the water is present on Mars, but in the form of ice caps.
We have solar winds, and there are dust storms. Some are locally concentrated, so some people envision that they can maybe make a camp at some places where the dust storms are less frequent. But then we will always be at risk because the dust storms can envelop the entire planet too. There is a probability. So yeah, depending on all those factors, we can see if Mars does have a future.
So a person going there needs to be have a good adaptability nature. Like he should adapt to things very perfectly. The atmosphere over there. So those kind of people have an upper hand, like in sustaining on Mars.
We have a lot to adapt to already. We cannot expect our bodies, living bodies as we know them, to just adapt to diverse climate changes or even diverse change in seasons. So in that respect, Mars is a very good prospect because the period of the Earth and Mars are very close by. So we cannot expect that for the other planets of our solar system, and Mars is the best candidate.